Take a ride in the 2018 XJ. The Jaguar XJ has a strong, refined V8 engine, and the 6-speed automatic was very smooth, a true leader in their class, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, panic alarm. Come see the car for yourself.